that the Turbo 5 and Turbo 5 Max will debut in China on tomorrow in China. The company also revealed that the Turbo 5 series will offer a CNC metal frame, rounded corners, fiberglass rear panel, and dual LED flash. It will also offer IP68/69 rated dust and water resistance. The Redmi Turbo 5 will be available in white and mint green color options. The Redmi Turbo 5 will feature a 6.59-inch OLED display, which is said to support a 1.5K resolution. Powering the device is the Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset. It is paired with LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, indicating flagship-level performance, and runs Android 16. The Redmi Turbo 5 houses a large 7560 mAh battery. It supports 100W wired fast charging along with 27W reverse charging. The device is expected to be priced at around 2,000 yuan. Redmi Turbo May 5th be rebranded as the Poco X8 Pro for global markets. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.